Model 8546-A-4. This is a twin head tube expanding machine capable of expanding tubes as well as beading at the end of the tubes. It operates with foot pedal, which is an automatic cycle, or it operates off the control panel for manually setting up your positions of your dies to do the expansions. We're looking at the twin heads here. These heads will form in the horizontal position or vertical position. Mounted on 4 casters so that you can move it around where you please, and then there's a lock there, a foot lock on the bottom here to lock it once you find the various position that you want to put it in. It is motor driven and hydraulic powered. Each head has its own separate solenoid valve to control the stroke of the cylinder, forward and reverse. Here's the 2 solenoid valves. This particular unit is a 440 unit, so there's a transformer along with the starter box. Particular unit has a 10 horsepower motor with a 5 GPM pump. It's rated at 3000 psi. Each form cycle to make an expansion takes about between 1 to 2 seconds for the stroke. We're looking at the die tray right here and all the tooling, expanding tooling. Each of these expanded dies are mounted in a retainer. It just screws onto the end of the hydraulic gun, and by screwing in you increase expansion, by unscrewing it you decrease the expansion. This particular unit has 9 sets of forming dies. It has a PLC system that controls the automatic or manual form cycle. Looking at this unit here, you have a readout here. And I don't know how clear you can see it, but you're able to increase or decrease the forming time. And there's a separate control for the left gun or the right hand gun. Right here is to make the cylinder go forward or reverse manually. The switch over here is to select the gun you want to use, the small head or the large one. You'll advance the cylinder and then retract it. That's done manually. Just holds his foot on the foot pedal and retracts. Cycles, like I say, only takes like about between 1 to 2 seconds. Now, by screwing the tooling in, as he's doing now, he'll screw in all the way. Okay, stop. Now hit the foot pedal again. Now he'll unscrew the tooling, and by unscrewing it, it's going to make less of an expansion. So you can calibrate this expansion within just a very, very few thousandths, maybe between 2 to 5 thousandths. Okay, Steve. Hit the foot pedal. He's going to make an expansion in the automatic cycle. And he'll rotate it just slightly to get it between the cracks here. Now we'll see how the slip fit is here. So you can see how precision that form is. It's very round as well. Just insert it in the small gun. Okay, then he'll go to the cycle here. Rotate it slightly, hit it again, and then try it. And here you are, you got your slip connection. You can see how quick that is, and you can control, like I say, the fit, you can control within just a few thousandths. To form in the vertical position, you simply remove this pin right here, and then you rotate it upward, get in the 90-degree position, and reinsert the pin, and you can form in the vertical position. They say this unit is completely self-contained. We're looking at the oil filter. Here's the oil fill cap. Here's a reservoir gauge that tells you what the how much oil you have in the reservoir. And basically that's it. Another product made by A&H. Thank you.